You're not meant to stay stuck in a job that drains you. You're meant to live your purpose full time. And if you're doubting whether that's even possible, then this video found you for a reason. Keep watching. In a moment, I'll share the exact mistake that kept me stuck for years in draining office jobs and how you can avoid it. But first, let's quickly get clear about why this matters. If you don't make this shift, you'll keep going from job to job, hustle to hustle, burning out, feeling like you're never enough, and wondering if you'll ever live the life you dream about. That voice inside you, the one that keeps nudging you, whispering that you're meant for more, it won't shut up. And honestly, it's not supposed to, because it's your soul. It's your soul saying, I don't want this. I'm giving you a hard time because this is not your life's path. You're supposed to do this for a while, so you gotta feel for what most people are going through with a 9-to-5 grind, but then you're supposed to pivot, do your calling. You're not here just to survive. You're here to thrive, to be in your purpose. And today I will share with you 3 steps to make your purpose your full-time income. I have made my purpose my full-time income. Making videos for you guys is my only income. I haven't had a job for over 8 years now. I'm a purpose coach, but back in the days, I was working the 9-to-5 grind, couldn't stay longer than a year in each job because I got so drained from the office jobs, the open plan offices. So I quit my job and became a digital nomad. That was my dream. I was freelancing, I was trying out drop shipping, having remote jobs. And although I felt more free because I was location independent, I still ended up exhausted, unfulfilled, and still not free. And that's when I had the realization, I don't just want to make money online, I want to make money in a way that actually feels aligned with my soul. And that's when everything shifted. And without further ado, here are the 3 steps to actually doing that. Making your purpose your full-time income. Point number 1 is to stop chasing quick fix paths that aren't aligned with your purpose. One of the biggest reasons people never go full-time with their purpose is because they get stuck chasing every shiny object that promises quick money. Remote jobs, freelancing, dropshipping, you name it. I've been there too. And sure, those things gave me temporary income, not very much, but there was some income, but it never gave me the fulfillment and freedom that I was looking for because I was still trading my time for money, working long hours, and most importantly, it didn't light me up. Quick fix models like this rarely last because they're not connected to your unique gifts. Eventually, it will burn you out and you will lose motivation. So ask yourself, is what you're doing for your career actually your purpose? Actually feels aligned? You actually look forward to Mondays? If not, then it's time to step into your purpose. And if you're not sure exactly what your purpose is, then download my free guide on how to find your purpose, link in the description. And once you're clear on alignment, the next step is building in a way that actually lasts. And that's where scalability comes in. Point number 2, make something scalable, not another hustle. Going full-time with your purpose doesn't mean swapping one exhausting job for another. If you're just trading your hours for money, you'll burn out again. What you need is a scalable product, a scalable offer, something that can serve many people at once without you working 24/7. A trap that many coaches fall into is selling only coaching packages and for an affordable price. So before they know it, they are booked out, their whole calendar is booked out, but they're not earning much money, but they're burning out because it takes a lot of energy giving one-on-one coaching. And I fell into the same trap until I learned about courses. I've actually removed all my other offers. I had so many ebooks and coachings and even a mastermind at one point. It was taking up so much energy. When you sell a course or group coaching or a membership, you can now help thousands and even millions of people at once. And yes, you can still sell one-on-one coaching. My program includes some one-on-one coaching, but I make sure that it's a high-ticket program. And when it includes a video course and community and a deep transformation that solves a specific pain point for your audience, now you can charge way more than just a general coaching package. So my action item to you is to think about what will be your signature offer. Maybe a group program, a digital course, maybe a membership. But here's the thing, even with the perfect offer, if you don't do this next thing I will tell you, then none of it matters. Step 3, treat your purpose like your full-time income before it becomes one. And this is where most people fall short. They say they want to go full-time, but they treat their purpose like an afterthought. If you put in part-time energy, you'll only get part-time results. For a long time, I treated my purpose as a little side hustle. Like, I'll post a little Instagram post whenever I feel inspired. But the day I started showing up like it was my full-time income, and I even started telling people I am a YouTuber, I am a blogger, that's when everything shifted and I really got help from God. The wind got in my sails once I really claimed this for myself. And I did this by setting specific hours in my calendar where I would work on my purpose. And in the beginning, I had a full-time job, so it was a very small part of my schedule, but it was there on some evenings, some weekends. And I created systems, templates, and most importantly, I posted consistently. And that's when everything shifted. And if that feels very overwhelming, like, what do I post? How do I make sure that it will actually get views? How do I start an online business? Then book a free business clarity call, link in the description. Let's be real, if you keep dabbling, nothing is going to change. Every time you push your dream to the back burner, someone out there is waiting even longer for the message that only you can deliver. So stop waiting for the perfect moment. The perfect moment is now. You're not here to play small. You're here to shake things up and help your people. You literally have soul contracts with the souls you're about to help. So don't worry about markets being saturated or there are already so many experts out there. There are some people who are more on your frequency. They will be so much more drawn to you than some other random expert. Even if they have better credentials than you, like a PhD or a double degree in something. Your unique life experience, energy, and interests all make up this really interesting niche. So you really have no competition. So no, you're not crazy for wanting this. You're not asking for too much. You were born to live your purpose full time, and the only thing standing between you and that life is your decision to finally commit. Commit to your purpose, and it will become your full-time income. Next step is figuring out which business model will work best for your unique business. And to learn what business model is the best for you as a spiritual person, then check out my next video, link in the description and somewhere around this video.